Hello, so good day. So once again, we will be your teacher in statistics and probability. As you can see, it was created by Mr. Roman Pasardosa with a recording of Mr. Sarmiento. So today we're going to have the subject orientation for this subject, statistics and probability. So the major requirement for statistics and probability will be first the groupings. Yan, depende kung ano ang magiging major task natin ulit, kagaya sa general mathematics. No? And then, if ever, kung yung book na gagamitin natin, so we have this statistics and probability book made by Rex. But it won't be checked kung meron kayo or wala since magkakaroon naman tayo ng video. Ang importante lang kasi sa books is ito, yung normal curve distribution table, na kung wala tayong books, sige, I'll be providing this one. So, in the pursuant to Depth and Order number 8, series of 2015, and to the Student Handbook of Pateros Catholic School, the following grading system together with the respective breakdowns will be strictly implemented. So, written works, 25%, that is composed of quizzes, 10%, and preliminary exam, 15%. Performance task, since this is a core subject, performance task is 50%, with portfolio, 20%, or yung homework, seat work, or yung working activities, plus the major PETA, which is 30%. Finally, we have the quarterly assessment, or the periodical exam, which is 25%. So, for a semester's grade, ito siya, written works, performance task, and quarterly assessment. So, the final grade in each of the grading periods will be averaged to compute for the final semester grade. So, now let's have the course outline for statistics and probability. So, first topic is statistics. So, we will be discussing the following: importance of statistics, gathering of statistical data, organizes data in a frequency distribution table, illustrates the measures of central tendency, and illustrate the measures of variability. So this is for the subject statistics. And for probability, we're going to illustrate an experiment, outcome, sample space, and event. Second, we find the probability of a simple event. So, reminder, the subject is statistics and probability. So, it is two subjects, two branch of math pala. Third topic will be random variables and probability distribution, wherein we're going to discuss the following. The first is to illustrate a random variable. Second is to distinguish between a discrete and continuous random variable. Third is the probability distribution and probability mass function. Fourth is to illustrate the mean and variance discrete and continuous. Fourth topic will be sampling and the sampling distribution. Under this topic, we will have random sampling, parametric and statistics, sampling distribution of the sample mean for normal population, central limit theorem. Fifth is we're going to have the normal distribution. So we're going to illustrate a normal random variable and its characteristics, and you're going to construct a normal curve. So, for these topics, we will try to finish all the topics that we have for the subject statistics and probability. But since we cannot declare what will happen, so some topics will be lessened or baka magkaroon ng medyo mabilis na phasing pagdating dito. So, reminders lang sa subject from the experience ng general mathematics. Use scientific calculator kung pwede. Have a separate notebook para meron tayong notes pa rin. Third of the most important thing is manood muna tayo ng video bago tayo mag-join sa setup na MS Teams conference. So, from my experience, sa general mathematics, daming pumapasok ng video conference pero hindi alam at hindi pa nanonood ng video. Ulitin ko po, sa conference, hindi ko na ituturo ulit kasi tinuro ko na siya sa video, kaya importante na panoorin natin muna yung video kasi dun yung makikita at dun kayo makakapag-list down ng questions na itatanong natin sa conference. Kaya kayo may notebook. Ayoko na pong makarinig ng hindi ko po napanood yung video kasi may ginawa po ako sa ibang subject. So, kaya nga isang beses lang ang meeting ko sa Zoom or MS Teams conference ko sa inyo. Para yung unang at yung conference is for the second day. Kasi yung unang araw, may time naman for my subject. Gamitin natin yan para mapanood yung video. Pangalawa, ang daming nagsasabit ng late. So, since naging mabait ako sa general math, this time hindi na. Since yung naging attitude natin sa general math is abusive, gumagawa tayo sa ibang subject, hindi tayo nanonood ng video. Kaya ang mga late submission magkakaroon na din ng deduction. Number 5, it's very important na magtanong kayo sa conference kasi sa number 5, hanggang 5 p.m. na lang ako mag-entertain ng question. So, 5 p.m. onwards, hindi na. So, kung sa video, sa MS conference, siguro naman, hindi naman ikakasama ng loob yung kung hindi na ako magre-reply. Kasi nga, minsan may umaabot ng 12 p.m. nagme-message pa. So, ngayon, I will be practicing na hanggang 5 p.m. na lang. So, pakitandaan natin itong mga reminders na to kasi ipapatupad siya ng medyo strict this subject para at least hindi na matulit yung mistake na kagaya nung nangyari sa GenMath. Diba? So, kung hindi nyo feel umattend ng MS Teams conference, okay lang. Basta wag tayong a-attend ng MS Teams conference na hindi natin napanood yung video. Okay? So, pero I highly encourage na umattend kayo ng conference din kasi malay nyo merong question na maitanong ng iba nyong kaklase tapos siya ka lang mapapaisip oo nga, hindi ko agad naisip yung ganong tanong. So, it's better na sulitin natin kasi minsan na nga lang ako mag-conference tapos hindi nyo pa a-attenan. Diba? Or minsan naman, a-attend nga tayo ng conference pero ganun din, wala din tayo, hindi natin din napanood yung video. So, hindi ko ituturo ulit isang bagay na sa tingin ko na na-explain ko na sa video. Unless, yun nga, hindi natin siya magets talaga. Sige, willing naman akong ituro ulit yun doon. Kaya, huwag kayong mag-alangan na sumali sa MS Teams conference. So, that is all for this video orientation. See you on the regular days of class.